guys, it's your girl Mel and welcome back to my channel. If you are returning, welcome back. If you are new, hi. I'm sorry if you guys hear a little bit of noise. It sounds like lawn mowing. They do this every other day, which is great because you want your neighborhood maintained, but it's annoying because it always happens when I'm trying to film. But I'm like, I already have my makeup done and everything. I have to knock it out right now. We will just put some background music or something over it, but I'm not going to be talking for too long anyway. Yeah, so we are back with a crochet style. I haven't done a crochet in a long time, so I was really excited to do this, and we have a beautiful pop of color as well. So yeah, I will have this hair linked in the description box below. It's from Crochetbraidsplus. I believe it's only sold online, but I will have the color, the length, everything linked so you guys can get it. This literally took me no time to do. I did have a little bit of help, like the braid down. My mom helped me do it because my energy is getting just lower and lower and lower, but baby's gonna come any day now. But yeah, very simple braid down, very simple crochet technique. I would say it almost resembles like a micro lock or like a kinky twist. But out of a lot of crochet hair I've used in the past, I would say that this one gives me a very, very seamless, you can't really see the cornrows much. And that's usually an issue you have. And because the parting of each piece of hair is so small, you can kind of fill it in between, and it's even more seamless. But anyway, enough chit chat. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and let's get into the tutorial of this video.
Thought I met you at the wrong time, then you caught me on that one night. Girl, I wanna know how this thing get out of my control. Zip line into your timeline. Hey, that body don't lie. I didn't care for the hype, yeah. But when I saw you tonight, ooh, girl, you know just what you're doing. I'll go 1,000 miles to show you that I'm right for your love. Hey, keep breaking necks when you passing them by. Make sure they know that you taking love in your vibe. Let's be forever tonight, and I will let you make up your mind. But I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Can't recall when you came through that door, yeah. Glowing like a headlight, independent all the way, got her bread right, yeah. Hard to ignore, sexy body make a jaw hit the floor. Won't you come over now? Just let me hold you down. Nothing else matching your type, nothing else matching your type, yeah. Oh, I feel the magic in the air. And when you give me a taste, I swear. When you give me a taste, let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur. I will let you make up your mind, but I can't wait. When you coming over, let me be your chauffeur. Baby, I will keep on calling you love till you do the same. Let me take it over, drive it like a chauffeur, like a chauffeur. Yeah, Amaru. I need a second. I need to think this through. Your words are weapons. Can't you see what you do, girl? Know you fine, why you have to be so tough? Why you gotta be so tough? Got your own, but can tell you need some love. Yeah, feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't dare wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, she turn it up like a radio. 10 out of 10, that's my baby, oh. Knows how to make me go crazy, oh. Hey, my baby is something, rolling her eyes just to let me know. Sometimes we argue like here we go. When we make up, it's a movie, though. Hey, I can never get enough, babe. Feels like I've known you, girl, all my life. When I'm with you, nothing else matter, you know that. Nothing else matter, don't go back. I don't dare wait on you for too long, but I want you. Them go tell you you should fall back. Deep inside you know that I go make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. My babe goes lovey-dovey, yeah. Oh, my babe goes lovey-dovey when I'm around you. Every time yeah, when I'm around you, girl. Make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. Yeah, make you go lovey-dovey. Your body on me make you go lovey-dovey. I can never get enough of it.
Yeah, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down, I don't wanna slow down till I burn out. I just wanna live fast, I don't wanna look back and say I could've done more than I did now. Sometimes it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard, yeah, it can be hard when you grow up. People fill you with doubt, you start thinking about what you're gonna do now. But we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Time, I don't wanna waste time, I don't wanna waste time on fake friends. I just wanna get high, just wanna get high, just wanna get higher. Sometimes people will try to hold you back from being who you want to. Don't be questioning why, do whatever feels right, find your passion and fight. Cause we only got one chance and got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make it count. So lose your worries, let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. I ain't never gonna slow down. Only got one chance, got one life to live. And it's do or die, gotta make make it count, so lose your worries. Let your problems go on until my whole body burns out. I ain't never gonna slow down.
Okay, and that's it. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Let me know in the comment section below if this is a hairstyle you would try. I definitely recommend it. You know, I'm a DIY queen, and this is something really easy that you can do yourself. And even if you don't know how to do the braids, you can get the braid down done by somebody else. Thank you for watching my video. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and I will see you guys next week.